Okay, dear student, now we are going to deal a very important topic in your second PU mathematics. This is very important. So very important for your PU board examination as well as for highest weightage in your entrance examination. That is, we call it as calculus. Okay. So the calculus andre enu? First, let us understand that what you mean by calculus. Very important. Very important. Okay. So let us know about calculus here. What is that? Suppose a particle is at here. Okay. The particle illide. I am applying external force here. Okay. When I apply external force to a particle, when it is at A, it moves and displaces to the point B. So therefore, a particle displaces from A to B whose displacement is x with respect to the time t. Again, what x indicates? X indicates the displacement under the time t. Then rate of change of displacement with respect to time denoted by dx by dt. This is, we call it as velocity. Okay. So now next, suppose a particle is at A moving towards B with the velocity v at a time t. Then rate of change of velocity at a time t denoted by what? dv by dt. This dv by dt is called as acceleration. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ is a rate of change of displacement. Acceleration is a rate of change of what? Velocity. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಕಾಮನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. For velocity and acceleration to define, we need rate of change. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಡ್ ಬರ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, rate of change. So ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? Here this dx by dt is nothing but rate of change of displacement with respect to time. dv by dt is nothing but rate of change of velocity with respect to time. Suppose if I write like this, dp divided by dv, rate of change of pressure with respect to volume. If I write a word dh divided by dt, what it means? Rate of change of height with respect to time. If I write ds by dt, it means rate of change of surface area with respect to time. dA by dt, what it means? Rate of change of area with respect to time. Totally, this calculus mainly deals with what? One important thing is rate of change. Another very important thing is, I am considering a coordinate system here. In this coordinate system, I am considering a curve here. Okay. Now in this curve, I need to find the area from x is equal to a to x is equal to b. Okay. Now just have a look here. So now this shaded region, we call it as area. This area bounded by this curve and these two lines with x-axis. Therefore, area bounded by what? Curve. Suppose if I consider like this, if it is a curve, if I consider these two lines, this is seems to be as area. Therefore, here, the very importantly, we are going to find out area bounded by the curves. Area bounded by the curves. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಯಾವುದನ್ನ? ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ, ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್, ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಟೈಮ್, rate of change of height with respect to time, rate of change of area with respect to time ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀವಿ. All these together we call it as simply rate of change. Here we are going to find out area bounded by the curve with respect to x axis. Here area bounded by the curve with respect to what? Y axis. Totally here we are going to find out the area bounded by what? Curves. Therefore the study of these two things, that means rate of change and area bounded by the curve, together we call it as calculus. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸರ್ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಇನ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ವರ್ಡ್, calculus is a branch of mathematics. Can I call like that? So calculus is a branch of mathematics which deals with the study of rate of changes and what? Area under the curve. ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಗಮನ ಕೊಡಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ. Calculus, it is a branch of mathematics. It is a branch of mathematics. Branch of mathematics. Branch of mathematics deals with the study of. Deals with the study of. Deals with the study of. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ? Rate of changes. Rate of change. One very very important. And area under the curve. Area under the curve. Very very important ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಗಮನ ಇಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಗಮನ ಇಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So calculus is a branch of mathematics which deals with the study of rate of change and what? Area under the curve. The concept of rate of change leads to the development of differentiation. And the concept of area under the curve leads to the concept of what? Integration. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದೀವಿ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ which deals with the study of rate of changes and area under the curve. The concept of rate of change leads to the development of what? Differentiation. And the concept of area under the curve leads to the concept of what? Integration. ಗಮನ ಇಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ವರ್ಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಏರಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು a famous mathematician Leibniz, a famous mathematician Leibniz was an inventor, and Sir Isaac Newton was a co-inventor. ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳ. Who is the inventor of calculus? So Leibniz was the inventor of calculus and Sir Isaac Newton was the co-inventor of what? Calculus. And other mathematicians also contributed lot for the development of calculus. But mainly Leibniz and Sir Isaac Newton contributed lot for this. So that's why Leibniz was the inventor, Sir Isaac Newton was the co-inventor of calculus ಅಂತ ಕರ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಆಗ್ಬೋದಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? So finally calculus is a branch of mathematics which deals with the study of rate of changes and area under the curve. The concept of rate of change leads to the development of differentiation and the concept of area under the curve leads to the concept of what? Integration. A famous mathematician Leibniz was the inventor and Sir Isaac Newton was the co-inventor of what? Calculus. So in your second PUC, under calculus you are going to deal with several topics. It is a branch. Very very important. So 80% of mechanics, 80% of the mechanics in the universe is depends on the concept of what? Calculus. Under calculus, so we are going to deal about this. The first one is continuity. The second one is differentiation. And the third one is application of derivative, APD ಅಂತ ಕರ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. application of derivative. Next is integration. Next is integration. And the next one is API ಅಂತ ಕರ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದೆ. What do you mean by API? Application of integration. ನೋಡಿ ಗಮನ ಇಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. The calculus, under calculus in second PUC, you are going to study about what? Continuity of a function, differentiation of a function, application of derivatives, integration, and application of integration. And again, the concept used to deal some very important by using differentiation and integration is called as differential equations. Differential equations. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಟು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಬೋತ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್. ಪಕ್ಕ ಇರಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಆಗ್ಬೋದಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 6 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 13 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿರೈವೇಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 21 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 19, 10, 21, 10. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 10, 2, 4, 6. ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ 60 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2 to 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಟಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೀಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ very important thing is differentiation. This differentiation deals under what? Calculus. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಸೊ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ವಾಟ್? ಏರಿಯಾ ಅಂಡರ್ ದ ಕರ್ವ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಬೈ ನೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೀಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್? ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್. ಆಗ್ಬೋದಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.